Webkinz, rainy day, games, and we already finished I Spy Eagle Eye, so what would you like to play next? Can we play a game of tagging? I love it. If you don't have any tag, I'm going to really leave you. Do you have any tag? Yeah, we can play tag. Okay, cool. Wow. This is cool. Wow. Oh gosh. I think rainy days. Wow. Okay. Ouch. Looks like a win. Not yet. Monty is my best friend, so I always hang out with him. Yeah, we two are besties. Whoa! Don't you love games? Because I really love games. I love games. I love games so much. Okay, so like, this is like weird, like place. Like, have you ever been to like the Creation Museum? It's an awesome place. Like, there's rides and all kinds of stuff. Oh yeah! Woo! Awesome! Oh my gosh! I love it! Okay! Awesome! Woo, that was fun. Who would else like to play? I'm a little bit knocked out, but can we play Duck Duck Goose? Duck, 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 goose. I'm the goose. I am the goose. Yeah. Can you get me down, please? Well, that was fun. Anybody else would like to tell a story? Well, I have an awesome story. Once upon a time, there was a fool who said that he wishes to have friends. And a beautiful-looking girl, I frightened him over, cheered him up. They went out together, ate dinner, became friends. And there was a tie-dye pony, a rocket leopard, a lilac and pig. They also made friends with the poodle and the ice. The ice dragon had to leave to a different state one day, so they all said goodbye. They made more friends hide, but then the poodle really needed another friend. So he traveled all the way to Texas with the ice dragon. And he said, I came all the way here for you. I will move to your planet. I will move to your planning place of your... Okay. Yeah. Whoa, that was an awesome story. Yeah, it was about us. Woo! It was about us. I have, that's a weird commercial. I don't know what. I'm dancing. Let's fly. I'm a tie-dye pony, and my name is Tara. Check out the tie-dyes new views of myself. I'm my nickname. My friends call me Myra because, well, they also call me Art. They call me Art because I like doing art, but they call me Maida sometimes because, well, they just do. That's my friendly name. So guys, why don't we check out the sun? Da-da-da! We're gonna go home and play some hopscotch. I'm gonna go chalk. I'm gonna ride my bike. Cheers! Bye! Olivia Ice Dragon, Gabby Lilac and Pig, Tara Tie-Dye Pony, Monty, E Poodle, in Leopard Rocker Leopard. Bye!